To set up conversion tracking for Greyd button clicks and form submissions, we first want to go to the Integrations tab here in Conversion Bridge and activate the Greyd integration. To add conversion tracking to Greyd forms, we first need to edit the form. We can scroll down to the Settings and find the Conversion Tracking tab. Here we can enable conversion tracking. For analytics platforms that support it, we can optionally enter a custom label. Once we're done, hit Save. If you've enabled an ad platform such as Google Ads, which requires a unique label or ID, you'll find those options here in the form where you can cut and paste those values and hit Save as well. Conversion Bridge also allows you to send enhanced data to your ad platforms. What that includes is emails and names to increase the attribution. So for example, in our email field, we can go to there and select Enhanced Conversions and then select Email. For our first name, we can do the same. Enhanced Conversions and select first name. Note that the name does need to be separated by first and last. We can also pass custom data to our analytics platforms. So this allows us to send whatever we'd like into our analytics based on what the user submits as whatever custom key. Now, please note that this should not be any personally identifiable information. In addition to Greyd forms, we can also track conversions for Greyd button clicks. Here in the Gutenberg editor, we have our custom Greyd button, and we can click on this, and we'll find the new conversion tracking tab. Like our forms, we just enable the toggle to turn on conversion tracking. We can then add our custom label to further identify this. And again, like our form, if you have Google Ads or any other ad platform that needs a custom label or ID, you can paste that in here. And with that, we hit Save, and conversion tracking is now enabled on this button. Here on our test page, we have our button and our form. I'm going to trigger these elements so that we can see what they look like in our analytics platform. In Google Debug View, we can see a timeline of our recent events that have been tracked in Google Analytics. For example, we can see the click event, and if we click on this, we can get the added details. And Conversion Bridge passes along the label, which we can see is what we typed into our settings for that button click, along with the button label, which is what the button actually said. For our form submit event, we can see the custom key value that was passed, the form ID, form name, and the label that we typed in. In alternative analytics platforms, for example Plausible here, we'll see the same Greyd button clicks and Greyd submissions. And similarly in another platform, Persh, we can see the same Greyd button click and Greyd submissions. Another great feature of Conversion Bridge is conversion journeys. What this does is allow you to see the entire page journey that someone took before completing a conversion. In this example, we can see that they visited the home page, the About page, Shop, the Greyd test page, and then did the button click and the form submission. Conversion journeys are also automatically tied directly to Greyd form entries. So for example, if we look at a single entry, we can scroll down and we'll see the same conversion journey. We can also add the conversion journey to the admin notification email. Edit the form, go to the settings area, and find the emails tab. In the content for the admin notification email, we can add the dynamic element called conversion journey. Once that's in there, hit Save. And when you get your admin notification emails, they will include the conversion journey along with it.